Hey everyone, welcome back to the Buy Reviews channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for honest reviews. Today, I'm excited to share my hands-on review the Vantrue N5 4-channel dashcam, optimized for clarity, depth, and viewer engagement. It clocks in under 5,000 characters and is ready for use in your video description, blog, or narration. Movie Camera Vantrue N5 dashcam review. Complete 360 degrees protection with advanced tech. If you're looking for a premium dash cam that delivers comprehensive protection from every angle, then the Vantrue N5 4-channel dash cam might just be the ultimate solution. In this review, I'll break down the key features, real-world performance pros and cons, and who this dash cam is really for. Package what's in the box? Right out of the box, the Vantrue N5 impresses with its solid build quality and well-organized accessories. Inside, you'll find front unit, interior cam, rear cam, side cam modules, hardwire kit, GPS mount, and a comprehensive user manual. Setup takes a bit more effort than your average dash cam, but considering it's a true 4-channel system offering 360 degrees coverage, the extra time is worth it. Magnifying glass still to the left features breakdown. White heavy checkmark 4-channel coverage. True 360 degrees protection. The N5 records from 4 cameras simultaneously, a front camera at 2.7K resolution, and 3 1080p cameras covering the cabin, rear, and vehicle sides. This multi-channel setup ensures every angle is covered, whether you're driving or parked. White heavy checkmark Sony STARVIS 2 sensor. Exceptional low-light performance. Equipped with Sony's second-generation STARVIS sensors, the Vantrue N5 performs exceptionally in low-light conditions. The IR night vision on the cabin cam ensures facial detail is visible even in complete darkness, ideal for rideshare drivers, fleet vehicles, and taxis. White heavy checkmark Wi-Fi and app integration. With built-in 5 GHz Wi-Fi, transferring footage to your phone is fast and seamless using the Vantrue app. You can preview live feeds, download videos, or adjust settings remotely. The interface is user-friendly and responsive. White heavy checkmark voice control. Hands-free voice commands let you lock videos, take snapshots, or start recording without taking your eyes off the road. In testing, the voice control responded accurately most of the time, though background noise can interfere occasionally. White heavy checkmark 24/7 buffered parking mode. This is where the N5 really stands out. It supports buffered motion detection and impact-triggered recordings even while your car is parked. It captures several seconds before and after an event, thanks to built-in supercapacitors and the hardwire kit, great for catching hidden runs or vandalism. White heavy checkmark built-in GPS. The GPS antenna logs your speed and driving route, which is overlaid on video playback. It's a valuable feature for professional drivers or in the event of an insurance claim. White heavy checkmark supports up to 512 gigabytes microSD. With 4 channels recording at high resolution, the N5 needs a large storage capacity. Thankfully, it supports microSD cards up to 512 gigabytes, which give you plenty of recording time even at max settings. Clapperboard real-world testing. In day and night driving scenarios, the footage was consistently crisp and detailed. License plates were easily readable in most lighting conditions, and the interior cam's infrared performed better than expected. The rear and side views give added peace of mind when changing lanes or navigating tight spaces. During parking mode tests, the buffer recordings triggered reliably, capturing critical moments before and after motion or impacts. Thumbs up pros. Unmatched 360 degrees coverage with 4 synchronized channels. Superior night vision with STARVIS 2 and IR sensors. Buffered parking mode with excellent sensitivity. Voice control adds hands-free convenience. High quality build with robust mounting options. Wi-Fi app and GPS features enhance usability. Thumbs down cons. Installation is more complex than 2-channel cams. Professional install recommended. Price may be high for casual users. The app interface could use more customization options. No included SD card. Must be purchased separately. Brain, who is this for? The Vantrue N5 is ideal for rideshare and taxi drivers needing full interior plus exterior monitoring. fleet operators looking for driver and vehicle security, car owners in urban areas concerned with parking incidents, tech enthusiasts who want cutting-edge features. Light bulb final verdict. The Vantrue N5 isn't just another dash cam. It's a full-fledged, professional-grade vehicle surveillance system. From the crystal-clear recording quality and 360 degrees coverage to the intelligent voice control and 24/7 monitoring. It's built for drivers who refuse to compromise on security or performance. While it comes at a premium price and requires a bit more effort to install, the peace of mind and recording fidelity it offers are truly exceptional. If you want the ultimate all-in-one dash cam setup in 2025, the Vantrue N5 should be at the top of your list. Pushpin rating 9.2/10.